I don't know nothing about no illegal or slightly less than legal activities or anything. I don't know nothing about none of that. All right, please don't come by me. All right, let's move around. What's up, cleaning bosses? It's your boy DJ the Boss, and I am back with another video. I know you didn't think I was gonna be gone forever. It's only been a couple weeks. I don't do this YouTube stuff as my income. I run my cleaning business for my income, which I'm doing right now. I'm actually getting ready to do a walkthrough for this little facility right here. The owner is running late, so I figured I had a moment to bring some value to my community. If you like cleaning business videos, like this video. You know, this is a really cool one. One of my mentees in the Bosses Only mentorship group asked a question, and I thought it'd be a really cool one to share with the rest of the community. It was about hiring people who may not have their paperwork in order, who may not be, completely documented. How do we handle that in our business? How do we make sure our business is okay? Is there ways around it and things like that? And so I thought that'd be really valuable to share with the rest of the community while I'm waiting for this owner to show up so I can do this walkthrough and give them pricing. Man, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, one of the best things you can be doing for your cleaning business is to be on a continuous learning journey. And that means subscribing to channels like this. Channels run by other cleaning business owners who've done exactly what you're trying to do. Subscribe to the channel. It's the best thing you can be doing for your business. Be on a continuous learning journey.
Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days. Loving how you boss, babe. This for all my dreamers and my doers and all the entrepreneurs. Just believe in what you're doing and pursuing. Look, this for all my boss days. Go through your boss days.
But I'm gonna need for this building owner to show up pretty soon, because there's this mangy looking stray dog that has been like eyeing me down, and I'm not sure if it's friendly or not. I'm not trying to be standing out here for too much longer, so I'm hoping that we can get inside this building and I can give this man pricing and I can get back to my office. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I really honestly don't even need to go inside of this place to give this man pricing. I can pretty much walk the outside of the building, peek through the windows and see what I need to see. But the main thing with doing these walkthroughs are that you're selling personality. People do business with people that they want to work with. If these people don't feel like you're the type of person they want to have around them or want to have inside their buildings, then they're not going to hire you. So that's mainly why you come out and you do these things. You show face, you show personality, you smile, you make friends, you make connections, and that makes everything go so much smoother. And it also helps with, even when things go bad or not perfect, that they like you. So people do business with people that they like and that they trust. So it's easier for you to overcome negative things that happen when you have a good relationship. So I show up presentable, try to be likable, try to be personable, enjoyable to be around. And so that's why you come out and you do these walkthroughs yourself, or train your salespeople to have those same qualities. I dropped my cell phone, so y'all see anytime the sun is shining on my phone, I get this crazy glare, lens flare type situation. So my bad on that. I'm also not on my camera. I'm just recording this on my phone. So let's talk about hiring undocumented workers. If you're trying to make something legal that's not legal, that just doesn't work. There's no way that you're going to make something that's illegal not illegal. I wouldn't even try it. I wouldn't even attempt at trying to make it legal. So I think the original question was, do I make these undocumented workers W-2 employees or 1099 contractors? And I wouldn't put them on the payroll at all. It's like snitching on yourself. Like, why would you tell the government that you have these people working that you don't actually want them to look into? So leave the government out of it completely. If it's to start, I'm not telling them anything whatsoever about these people. If anything, I'm paying them under the table in strictly cash if I have to. And that's just the first thing. So the second thing is, see, there's this dog again. This dog, please don't come by me. All right, let's move around, because I don't trust this dog. It's kind of cute, but no. So now we get into some murky legal territory with what I'm about to say. So make sure there are no feds around or anything. Look, I don't know nothing about no illegal or slightly less than legal activities or anything. I don't know nothing about none of that. All right, so what I do know about this demographic is that often, to do things and to get around things, they share information or they use family members' information, social security numbers and things like that. You just have a requirement to have this W-2 information filled out on this form. So I'm not telling you to, I'm just telling you to tell them to get the form filled out. Just make sure you get some information into the form. That way, at the end of the year, you don't have to worry about paying taxes. And because if you decide to just pay them under the table and you take the cash out of your bank account and hand it directly to them, at the end of the year, the government is going to consider that profit, and you are going to be taxed on that amount of money as if it was profit that you just spent from your business. So to avoid all that, if you actually want to have them on payroll, and have them as a W-2 employee, then some information has to be on that W-2 form so that taxes can be paid. They will never get a tax return if that information doesn't match, but taxes can at least be paid, and the so-called fraud would fall on them and not on you and your business. You didn't hear that from me. I didn't say nothing. I didn't say nothing. Yo, if YouTube demonetizing me for that, y'all better come and subscribe to my new channel. I'm not playing. The last thing I'm gonna say is that if this is something that's important to you, not necessarily even if it's important to you, but if it's important to your business, then it might be worth looking into having the resources readily available for people as they come and show interest in working for your business, and help out this community, help them through those processes, and give them the resources and the steps, a step-by-step guide in order to get that documentation, and maybe partner with a local community program or association that does that, so that you can guide these people to get completely legal and get their paperwork straight. And then you have employees that are grateful because of it, and you might end up creating longer relationships and longer lasting employees and for your business by doing that. So that's what I kind of have to say about the whole hiring undocumented workers. I do know the Latin community is a big part of our industry. They're the majority of the labor in this industry, and we have to admit that. And so we do need them. And a lot of times they have those struggles that we kind of have to overcome. But as business owners and entrepreneurs, we are problem solvers, and we figure things out. So look at these as solutions, come up with creative things, whether that's working around it and being slightly less than legal, or whether that's setting up some type of program or something for them to go through to help them get through the process a little bit easier. But that's how I would approach it. This video was a weird one to get done. My phone screen is all cracked, so I got this weird glare. But man, y'all like the video anyway. Subscribe to the channel. This video should get at least 200 likes. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, subscribe to the channel. It really helps me. So subscribe to the channel and continue to learn from someone who's done exactly what you're trying to do. I'm gonna get back to the office, man, get some stuff done. Hopefully this brought you guys some value. I love y'all. Go download the Cleaning Boss app if you have employees, manage your business. Check out mycleaningboss.com and the rest of the resources that I got on there. If you're interested in joining the Bosses Only mentorship group where this question came from, go to mycleaningboss.com/bossesonly and join the Bosses Only mentorship group. We have a growing community and it's lovely in there. I'm loving helping people grow. But yeah, go ahead and join. I love y'all. Keep that boss mentality. Peace.